Hey everyone, want to read a Snapchat message without the sender knowing? Let me show you the magic of pick a pic or the famous half swipe trick. First of all, open Snapchat and go to your chats. Find the message you are curious about but don't want to fully open. Gently press and hold the sender's Bitmoji on the left side of their chat. Then slowly drag it to the right, but not all the way. You will see the message preview without marking it as read. After reading the preview, slide it back to the left. Make sure not to release your finger until it's fully closed. And there you have it. You just pulled off the Snapchat half swipe like a pro. Just remember, this trick works best with the latest Snapchat version, so keep your app updated. Found this helpful? Hit like and subscribe for more Snapchat hacks. Happy swapping!